7.62 by 63. Block number 1.
Come back.
Number 1 block. Who shot number 1 block?
That would be me.
That was with the 7.62 by 63. How many rounds?
That.
Full magazine.
Full magazine, which was
8 rounds.
8 rounds.
8, that's right.
Compression wave knocked some material, some composite out the back, but there were no through and throughs. We'll put the tattletale down here in a second. You'll see there's no through and throughs. There are the tattletales.
Yeah.
This is where the blocks were shot. This is from block number 5 earlier. But you can see there's no through and throughs down on block number 1. And we got a spit. Got a little spit through there. That's it.
Yeah, this was
That would have been stopped by.
First thing they do is give you a bruise.
So again, no through and throughs on all those shots. Block number 1, 7.62 by 63. I would call that a very successful shoot.
That's on 6.
AR15, 5.56. Block number 1, 30 rounds. Yeah, there's block number 1 after all the punishment it took, and then it put 30 rounds of AR-15 into it, 5.56, and I've got maybe 2 through and throughs. There and there. That's a splatter.
Yeah, I think 2. I think it's just the 2.
Yeah, and that's only because we kind of knocked the snot out of it earlier.
Cool.
So that's pretty
Nice.
good.
That is amazing, really. Okay, so this is after shotgun, 12 gauge, slug and buckshot. One is having a hard time, but I don't think there was any through and throughs on there either.
No through and throughs on the tattletale.
Yeah, just the tattletale. We'll put the tattletale down.
That's the same.
Tattletale is the same as it was before. This is after 60 rounds of 5.56. We hit it with the shotgun. Same with number 2 and number 1. Blocks are holding.